Hello to all our food enthusiasts out there. We invite you to explore more culinary adventures in our playlist. Remember to subscribe, share, and comment. We value your feedback. Today we embark on a fascinating journey to the heart of the world's rivers and oceans. Our quest to unravel the subtle and not so subtle differences between the flavor profiles of freshwater fish and saltwater fish. An exciting exploration awaits us, one that promises to tantalize our taste buds. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the distinctive flavors of the fish from different waters. Before we delve into the flavor profiles, it's crucial to understand the basic differences between freshwater and saltwater fish. The environments these fish inhabit greatly influence their taste, texture, and nutritional value. Freshwater fish, as the name suggests, live in bodies of water with low salt concentrations like rivers, lakes, and ponds. Their diet consists mainly of insects, smaller fish, and plant matter, which contributes to a mild and delicate flavor. The texture of their flesh can be a bit softer due to the less challenging environment they inhabit. On the other hand, saltwater fish thrive in seas and oceans, where the salt concentration is much higher. Their diet is rich in other sea creatures like crustaceans, mollusks, and smaller fish. This varied diet leads to a robust and full-bodied flavor that's often described as briny or oceanic. The flesh of saltwater fish tends to be firmer and denser due to the challenging environment they have to navigate. In terms of nutritional value, both types of fish are excellent sources of protein. However, saltwater fish often have higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Freshwater fish, while not as rich in omega-3s, are still a good source of lean protein and other essential nutrients. Now that we've established the differences, let's dive into the unique flavor profiles. Freshwater fish, as the name suggests, inhabit freshwater bodies like lakes, rivers, and streams. These aquatic environments contribute significantly to the flavor profile of the fish that call them home. When it comes to freshwater fish, the flavors are typically light and delicate, quite distinct from their saltwater counterparts. So, what contributes to this light and delicate flavor? Well, the diet of freshwater fish is a key factor. They primarily feed on insects, smaller fish, and plant matter, which translates into a milder, less pronounced flavor. The quality of the water they live in also plays a vital role. Clean, pristine waters yield fish with a fresh, clean taste, while murky or polluted waters can negatively impact the flavor. Now, let's talk about some popular freshwater fish. First up is trout. This fish is known for its slightly sweet, nutty flavor. It's a versatile choice that pairs well with a variety of seasonings and cooking methods. Trout's lean, light-colored flesh cooks up flaky and moist, making it a favorite among fish lovers. Next, we have catfish. A staple in southern cuisine, catfish has a unique flavor that's somewhat earthy and sweet. Its flesh is dense and moist, and it stands up well to stronger flavors and spices. Whether you're frying it up for a classic catfish po' boy or grilling it for a healthier option, catfish is a delicious choice. And let's not forget about bass. With its mild, slightly sweet flavor and medium firm texture, bass is another versatile freshwater fish that works well in a variety of dishes. It pairs beautifully with bright, citrusy flavors and can be baked, grilled, or pan-seared to perfection. So, if you're looking for a mild, delicate flavor, freshwater fish is your go-to option. These fish offer a wide range of tastes and textures, making them a fantastic choice for any seafood lover. Stay tuned as we dive into the flavor profiles of saltwater fish in our next segment, Scene Script. Saltwater fish, on the other hand, live in the vast, saline ocean waters. These marine dwellers, with their robust, stronger flavors, are a stark contrast to their freshwater counterparts. The ocean's briny waters imbue them with a distinct, often more pronounced taste. Traversing the globe's seas, from the warm tropical Caribbean to the icy, untamed Arctic, saltwater fish are as diverse in flavor as they are in species. Let's take salmon, for instance. This popular saltwater fish is famed for its rich, buttery flavor. The cold waters it inhabits contribute to its high fat content, which not only intensifies its taste, but also lends it a luscious, melt-in-your-mouth texture. Be it in a sushi roll or a fancy restaurant's grilled entree, salmon's distinct flavor profile is unmistakable. Then there's tuna. This mighty ocean predator is known for its firm, meaty texture and a flavor that's more complex than most fish. The dark red meat of a tuna is intensely flavorful, often described as having a unique savory or umami taste. This is why tuna steaks are a favorite among seafood lovers and why it's a prime choice for sashimi. But what makes saltwater fish taste so different? It's all about where they live and what they eat. The ocean's saline environment naturally seasons the fish, while their diet, rich in other sea creatures, imparts a depth and complexity of flavor that freshwater fish often lack. Moreover, saltwater fish's texture is another contributing factor. Many saltwater fish have a firmer flesh due to their constant movement against the ocean's currents. This results in a denser, meatier texture that many gourmets appreciate. From the delicate sweet flounder to the sturdy, flavorful mackerel, each saltwater fish offers a unique taste experience. Their bold flavors stand up well to a variety of cooking methods and strong seasonings, making them a versatile choice for any seafood enthusiast. For those who prefer a stronger, more pronounced flavor, saltwater fish is the ideal choice. The distinctive flavors of these fish types call for different cooking techniques and pairings. Let's dive in, shall we? Freshwater fish, with its mild and delicate flavor, benefits from cooking techniques that allow its natural taste to shine through. Poaching or steaming are excellent methods that preserve the fish's subtle flavor. When seasoning, it's best to keep it simple. A dash of salt, a squeeze of lemon, or a sprinkle of fresh herbs can be all you need to elevate your dish. Now let's talk about pairings. Freshwater fish goes well with light, crisp wines like a Sauvignon Blanc or a Pinot Grigio. For a non-alcoholic option, consider a refreshing cucumber mint water or a tangy lemonade. As for side dishes, think light and fresh. A simple green salad, roasted vegetables, or a quinoa pilaf would do nicely. On the other hand, saltwater fish, with its stronger, briny flavor, can stand up to more robust cooking techniques. Grilling or pan-searing are excellent choices that can create a delightful caramelized crust, while keeping the inside moist and tender. Seasonings can be more adventurous here. Think garlic, chili flakes, or a bold spice blend. And for pairings, a full-bodied Chardonnay or a spicy Gewürztraminer can stand up to the rich flavors of saltwater fish. For non-alcoholic choices, a sparkling ginger lemonade or a hearty iced tea can be quite delightful. Side dishes can be heartier here. Consider a creamy risotto, a sautéed spinach with garlic, or a flavorful ratatouille. Remember, there are no hard and fast rules in cooking. It's all about experimenting and finding what suits your palate. The key is to respect the fish's natural flavor and choose cooking methods and pairings that complement, not overpower it. The right cooking method and pairing can bring out the best in your fish, enhancing its natural flavor. So go ahead, explore your culinary creativity, and most importantly, enjoy your meal. As we have seen, the flavor profiles of freshwater and saltwater fish are as diverse as the bodies of water they inhabit. Indeed, our exploration has taken us on a culinary journey, from the serene lakes and rivers to the vast and mysterious oceans. We've discovered that freshwater fish, with their light, delicate flavors, are a testament to the subtle beauty of their environment. They're often described as sweet, with a mild yet intricate taste that can be enhanced by simple cooking techniques. The subtle flavors of these fish lend themselves well to grilling, poaching, or steaming, allowing their natural taste to shine through. Saltwater fish, on the other hand, are the bold adventurers of the aquatic world, with robust and pronounced flavors that reflect the diversity of the ocean. Their meat, often firm and rich, can stand up to stronger cooking methods such as searing or roasting. Their flavor, usually described as briny or savory, pairs well with bold seasoning or aromatic herbs. We've also learned that the choice of cooking method and pairings can significantly influence the final taste of the dish. Freshwater fish, with their delicate flavor, pair well with light sauces and herbs, while saltwater fish can handle more robust flavors like citrus, garlic, or spicy sauces. But remember, these are just guidelines. The beauty of cooking lies in its creativity and the joy of discovery, so don't be afraid to experiment with different cooking methods and flavor pairings. Who knows? You might just stumble upon your next favorite dish. In conclusion, whether you're a fan of the subtle sweetness of freshwater fish or the bold flavors of saltwater fish, there's a whole world of taste waiting for you to explore. The key is in understanding the unique flavor profiles of each type of fish and using that knowledge to enhance and complement their natural taste. We hope this guide helps you in your culinary journey. Remember, the world of flavors is vast and exciting, so don't be afraid to experiment. Until next time, happy cooking.